color, right?
You want me to pick a color? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't look. Do not look. Hey, no looking. Okay, there you go. I picked my color. Okay. Ask me to concentrate on the color.
Concentrate on the color.
Okay. Okay. I'm concentrating. Well, are you concentrating too?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know my color yet?
Your color is red.
No.
No?
I think it was yellow. Let's see.
Yes.
Lift it up. Oh, sorry, it was red. You're right. Yeah. I thought it was yellow though.
Now it's my turn to pick a color, right?